Hi Tartlets! Finding your perfect complexion match isn't always easy. That's why we've broken it down into 2 steps. First step in creating matchmaker magic is finding your depth of skin tone. This is the color you see when you look in the mirror and can change depending on your exposure to the sun or other beauty boundaries. So grab a mirror and take a look. Which depth do you fall into? Fair, light, medium, tan, deep, or rich? Now on to step 2, finding your undertone. What's an undertone, you ask? It's the natural color under your skin's surface. Everyone's is different. It's what makes your skin uniquely yours. You can be tan, have some redness, scarring, or other beauty boundaries that change your skin tone, but your undertone always remains the same. So what undertone are you? The 3 most common are cool, which are undertones that are pink or blue, warm, which are undertones that appear yellow, and neutral, which is a mix of both pink and yellow. At Tarte, we know that not everyone falls exactly into those 3 categories. That's why we've broken the norm and created 5 undertones. Beige, which is our version of cool, so it's for those of you who see pink or blue when you look into the mirror. Sand, which is a warm shade for those who see a naturally yellow hue when checking themselves out. Honey, a warm shade for someone who sees a peachy hue. Golden, a warm option for the tartlet who appears naturally golden or olive. And neutral, a mix of pink and yellow undertones. If you can't decide and think you're all undertones, this one's for you. If you're unsure, here's some easy ways to help you choose. If you're a beige undertone, silver jewelry flatters you best, and when sunning, you love SPF because your skin burns easily. If you're a sand undertone, gold jewelry is your go-to, and when you're having fun in the sun, your skin tans easily with a uniform bronze. If you're a honey undertone, gold jewelry is your jam, and when getting some sun, you tan easily and get a rosy glow on your cheeks. If you're a golden undertone, gold jewelry flatters you best, and when it comes to sunning, you tan instantly and don't burn often. If you're a neutral undertone, both silver and gold jewelry look fabulous on you, and when basking in the sun, you tan but burn after too long. Now that you're a complexion matchmaker, let's create magic and find your perfect match of Tarte foundation.